Good day, everyone. I'm Agnes Onis Alberto, 20 years old, a second-year student taking up a Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Animal Science at Norso Pamplona Extension. In today's video, we will make an oral video with my classmates in answering the following questions.
Number 1. What is importance of the plant taxonomy? It aids in our understanding of the characteristics found in both plants and animals. It provides a sense of the physical development timeline. It provides a sense of the native flora and fauna, assisting us in identifying endemic species.
Good day everyone, my name is Rimar Saicon, a second-year student taking up Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. So my topic is all about why is nomenclature of plant necessary? The nomenclature of organisms serves as channel of communication and clear reference systems for the components of biodiversity. The International Codes of Botanical Nomenclature, which in theory seeks to have accurate name for taxon on the basis of priority of publication, governs the nomenclatures of plants. Changes in nomenclature and synthesis are caused by the implementations of the code's rules and taxonomic investigations involving the enlargements of constructions of taxa. Nomenclatures of organisms provide a means of communication and is a reference system about the elements that constitute biodiversity. The nomenclatures of plants is governed by the International Code of Botanical Nomenclature that, in principle, aims at having one correct name for a taxon on the basis of priority of publication. The applications of the rules of the code and taxonomic study involving chains of circumscriptions of taxon result in nomenclature chains and synonyms. More numbers of synonyms for a taxon reflects only the more confused state it was it. Yet the rules of nomenclatures, notably the principle of priority, cannot be ignored to prevent any confusion in botanical studies. Literature study and synonyms are imperative and essential elements of taxonomic research. The stability of nomenclatures can be possible in future only when authoritative lists of accepted names are prepared and made widely available by internationally recognized body. Till then, the principle of priority and synonyms in taxonomic publication cannot be regulated to a secondary level, particularly by taxonomic research. The ignorance or careless attitudes to nomenclatures issued by taxonomists themselves does more harm to the subject than the non-taxonomists can cause.
Number 3. Give the definition of the following terms. A. Kingdom. B. Division. C. Class. D. Order. E. Family. Genus and species. The first one is kingdom. Kingdom is the highest level in classification, animal and plant kingdom. Division. The number of groups in this taxon is not fixed. It depends on the classification system. Based on similar characteristics observed on a few elements or organs, dominance of sporophyte to gametophyte, presence of an ovule, seed formation, and several other morphological and anatomical characteristics. Those are hereditary characteristics and will continue to exist from generation to generation. Class. The number of groups in this taxon is not also fixed, depending on the classification system. Separation is based on important basic differences that exist between groups. Order. Separation is based on a more convincing genetic relationship which earlier had been detected at the class and division level. Family. Based on a more characteristic compared to other class and division, the morphological characteristics of reproductive organs, inflorescence, oviposition, placentation, number of pistils, and carpel. Genus. Genus involves more similar characteristics, including a closer family relationship but do not cross. If a hybrid cross does occur, the offspring are normally infertile or will not survive. Phylogenetically, new genus arises and separate from the same parental origin. Species, a category of biological classification ranking immediately below the genus or subgenus, comprising related organism or population potentially capable of interbreeding and being designated by the binomial that consists of the name of genus followed by Latin or Latinized and capitalized noun or adjective agreeing grammatically with the genus name.
Hi everyone, my name is Jimaika Disaguban, a secondary college student taking up course Bachelor of Science in Agriculture at Negros Oriental State University, Pamplona campus. And for today's video is, I'm gonna answer question number 4, which is explain the different taxonomic classification system, the artificial system, the mechanical system, the natural system, and the phylogenetic system. So artificial system. Artificial system is one or two morphological characteristics are used in the artificial categorization system to divide creatures into groups. The artificial categorization method proposed by Linnaeus categorizes species based on the numerical strength of sex organs, such as androecium, number in a plant flower. Mechanical system or mechanic system, a process of sorting in which mixes of particles of varying sizes and frequently specific gravities are divided into fractions by the action of a stream of fluid or typically water. Natural system. Natural system is an approach for analyzing similarities and differences in the number of characters under examination is the natural system of classification. The relationship between the common ancestor and the descendant serves as the basis for this sort of classification. Phylogenetic system. Phylogenetic system, the area of phylogenetic systematics known as phylogenetic taxonomy is concerned with representing phylogenetic relationships rather than estimating or reconstructing them. Using a naming scheme, phylogenetic taxonomy aims to represent ties of common ancestry.
Question number 5. Enumerate and discuss the different taxonomic characteristics. There are 5 different taxonomic characteristics: the morphology, anatomy, palynology, cytology, and chemical and molecular. Biology is study of the dimensions, forms, and internal relationship of animals, plants, and microbes is known as morphology. The phrase describes the basic biological features of a plant's or animal's component, arrangement, and structure. And also, it is a plant growth habit, leaf arrangement and shape, flower and fruit characteristics. The anatomy is the secondary xylem characteristics, epidermis including trichomes and stomata. The palynology is the pollen characteristics including size, shape, aperture, and exine sculpture. It is also known as the study of plant pollen, spores, and subminute planktonic creatures, both in their life and fossil forms. Cytology, it is a chromosome number, structure, and habit, examining a single cell type which is frequently present in fluid specimens is called cytology. And lastly, the chemical and molecular and the alkaloid, phenolic, and amino acid content, protein and enzymes, and DNA.